The AI war just changed. On one side, you have a developer's scalpel that costs less than a cup of coffee. On the other, a full-scale autonomous factory with a 1 million token memory that builds entire businesses while you sleep. Is Blackbox AI the ultimate disruptor for coders? Or is Emergent's autonomous workforce the only way to scale in 2026? Today, we are tearing down the dashboards, the code quality, and the hidden costs to find your new command center. We are comparing the $2 coding partner against the $200 autonomous engine. One of these will save you hours, the other might just replace your entire dev team. Let's dive in. The Blackbox AI Dashboard is a masterclass in minimalist, developer-first aesthetic. The top navigation bar is packed with high-level access to pricing, products, remote agents, and the Blackbox CLI. But the Select Models menu is where the true power hides. Unlike many other platforms, Blackbox is entirely model-agnostic. From a single drop-down, you can toggle between GPT 5.2, Grok 4, Claude Sonnet 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Recently, they have even added elite options like DeepSeek V3 and Gemini 2.0 Pro. This is a massive advantage for developers who need to test how different brains handle specific coding logic without switching tabs or platforms. Looking at the sidebar, it is clear that Blackbox isn't just a website. It's a comprehensive development suite. There are dedicated tools for JetBrains, VS Code, and even a desktop agent. The features menu reveals an enterprise-ready structure, including app history and dedicated app builders. One of the most critical screens in this ecosystem is the API keys management. Here, you aren't just generating a random string, you're managing a business. You can set specific budget caps for every key, name them for different projects, and track your credits with granular detail. The LLM inference section further shows a library of 400+ models, providing professional-grade infrastructure for someone looking to scale an AI-powered product with strict financial and technical controls.
The Blackbox app builder provides an incredibly structured and transparent experience. The interface asks one core question: what do you want to build? Categorizing your journey into web search, landing pages, web apps, AI apps, game dev, or image generation. When tasked with creating a tech-forward summit landing page, the AI doesn't just start typing code blindly. It begins with a comprehensive plan. It gathers information, defines a specific design approach, and outlines the hero sections, speaker lineups, and registration forms it intends to build. It even lists the tech stack it has selected, such as React, Showdown UI, and Lucid icons. The code generation is lightning fast and produces high-quality, production-ready TypeScript files. You can see full state management for the forms, responsive grid layouts, and clean modular structures. As the AI generates the TSX files, it maintains a strict adherence to modern UI standards. When you hit preview, you aren't looking at a simple wireframe. You are looking at a professional, dark-themed event site with a working schedule and interactive speaker cards. This is code that you can immediately export, own, and deploy within your professional environment. Switching over to Emergent, the philosophy shifts dramatically from coding to launching. The headline says it all, where ideas become reality. While Blackbox feels like an integrated development environment, Emergent feels like a product manager's dream. At the center of the dashboard, you have three primary toggles: full stack app, mobile app, and landing page. The input bar is ready for anything, from building a complex CRM to a personalized fitness tracking app. The advanced controls in Emergent are where the platform shows its technical teeth. You can select specific MCP tools or model context protocol and choose from detailed Docker templates. The model list here is pushing the boundaries of what is currently available, featuring Claude 4.5 Sonnet and a GPT 5.4 model with a staggering 1 million token context window. That means you can feed this AI an entire book of requirements or an entire legacy code base, and it won't blink. Additionally, the GitHub integration is built to sync directly with your private or public repositories, bridging the gap between an AI prompt and a professional, version-controlled codebase. There is also a showcase section that fosters a remix culture, allowing you to browse community-built apps like a high-end headphone site or a Spider-Man launch page, and instantly fork that project to start your own build. Emergent takes a fundamentally different path with its autonomous agents, specifically the Moltbot and Claudebot systems. This isn't just about building a website, it's about creating a bot that works for you autonomously. The building process is designed for zero friction, skipping the complexities of setting up local VPS or personal computers. The setup involves running installation scripts and managing background processing directly within the cloud environment. Blackbox AI offers disruptive pricing for developers. Its $2 per month Pro plan, billed yearly, provides $20 worth of AI model access, including OpenAI, Anthropic, and xAI. The $20 Pro Plus plan adds a coding agent for 35 plus IDs, multi-agent execution, and Slack integration, while the $40 Pro Max tier includes SAML SSO, advanced security, and team analytics. Emergent uses a credit-based pricing system built for creators and brands needing large-scale AI computing. Its free tier includes 10 monthly credits and one-click LLM integration. The standard plan adds GitHub integration and private projects, while the $200 Pro plan offers 750 credits, a 1 million token context window, ultra thinking, and high performance computing. We've torn apart the dashboards, tested the builders, and checked the prices. Here is the final breakdown of which AI command center wins for your workflow. The experience and building. After looking at every menu and every workflow, the choice is simple. Blackbox AI is a developer's cockpit. It's built for the person who wants to sit down and write the perfect code with a fast, minimalist assistant. Emergent is an application factory. It's built for the person who wants to launch a perfect system that works autonomously across different apps while they sleep. Who wins where? Choose Blackbox if you are a coder or student. You want a cheap, elite partner to help you build apps faster inside your existing tools. Choose Emergent if you are a founder or architect. You want a powerful, hands-off workforce that manages your business across the web and mobile. In one sentence, Blackbox AI is the best tool to write your future. Emergent is the best tool to launch it.